Here's how to use Perchance AI image to image. First, open your browser and go to the Perchance AI image generator. Once the generator loads, look through the available settings for an option that allows you to add or upload a reference image. This may appear as an image input, image to image, or similar option depending on the generator you're using. Next, upload the image you want to use as your reference. Make sure you select an image that clearly shows the subject, composition, or style you want the AI to work with. After uploading your image, you will be able to select the preferred art style. I will select cyberpunk in this example. Then, go to the prompt or description box. Enter a clear and detailed description of what you want the generated image to look like. You can describe changes to the subject, background, lighting, colors, clothing, environment, or overall appearance. You can also use the prompt to apply a different visual style while keeping important elements from your reference image. Be specific about what you want to preserve and what you want the AI to change. Next, adjust any additional generation settings available on the page, such as image, shape, or other options, if needed. Once your reference image and prompt are ready, click Generate. Wait for Perchance AI to process your request and create the result. Review the generated image. If you're satisfied with it, use the available download option to save the final image to your device. That's all for this video. Thanks.